What's up, everybody? It's Letitia with BearFruit Gardening. I hope that you're doing well. I'm outside, potting up these, putting them in pots. These are all of the seeds, not all of them, but most of them that have sprouted already that I had in the house. Remember, I did the plastic bag paper towel method, so it is time. Look at these roots and these sprouts. So it is more than time to go ahead and do this. So let me show you how I am getting started with this. I have a Sharpie to label my containers that they're going in. There's 45 cups in this thing for $1 at the Dollar Tree. I got a little spray bottle just in case I need to spray to get the roots loose, because they actually do grow in the paper towel sometimes. I don't know if y'all can see that, but sometimes I'll just tear the paper towel off with it because it'll decompose over time. It's no big deal. And I repurposed some soil, so let me show you how I did that. So I went to the store and picked up a bag of Perlite. This has no nutritional value. It's just to help with drainage. It's really good to have. All of your potting mixes have it in them already. You can add more if you would like. The more you add, the drier your medium is going to be. So, but the drainage is great. You always want good drainage. So you want your water to drain through so your roots are not sitting in soil. So I got a bag of this, and what I did was take this, dump it in here along with some, and you don't have to do this, but I just had it out already, some fertilizer here. And this is old soil that I've dumped out from containers that I had last summer or last season, and you know, there's nothing in them right now. So I'm just repurposing the soil. After I dump everything in, mix it up really well, and I add some water, okay, so I can get it mixed really well and the seeds aren't going into completely dry soil. Then after that, I just found a place for them to hang out. So I'm putting them in here, and then I did water these in because I had to take a break and go inside for a minute. But water them in, put them in the shade for now, so they can have some time to adjust, and you're done. That's pretty much it, okay? So just follow me as I get this done today. Let me see. Oh, make sure you put drainage holes in the bottom of your cups. If you don't, the water will sit in there, your seeds will rot, okay, or your roots will rot. So please poke holes. So got a few more done. Takes a little time, but guys, I'm so pumped up and excited. These are some of my personal plants, but most of them I am going to still try to attempt to sell at the farmers market. Well, they haven't decided if they're going to have it. It's a really small one, but any event, I will probably go ahead and try everything that I can to contact my friends and people around the neighborhood and the city to see if they want plants. You know, you have competitive prices, people consider. Thank you all so much for watching. I love y'all so much. Just look at the beauty. Just look at it. Beautiful, beautiful. Look at the parsley in this warm weather, y'all. Just crazy, going absolutely bonkers. Look at how big she's gotten.